In this video, we're going to be graphing vertical and horizontal lines. All right, let's take a look at the first example. We have x equal to 5. Notice this equation does not have a y variable. So I'd like to be able to rewrite the equation that contains the y variable. So I can rewrite this as x equal to 5 plus 0y. And I know this is going to be okay because 0 times any value is 0, and when I add 5, it's still going to be 5. All right, so let's do a table for this. Now, because this equation is solved for x, I'm going to pick values of y. So I'm going to pick these values. So when I plug negative 2 in, 0 times negative 2 is 0 plus 5 is 5. When I plug in 0, 0 times 0 is 0 plus 5 is 5. And I can have it the same thing for y equal to 3. That's 0 plus 5, that is 5. Notice every single value of x in this table is 5. Hence the equation, x equal to 5. Okay, so let's graph these. Okay, axes are already labeled x and y. So I'm going to go by ones here. So to the right 5, and then down 2. To the right 5, and stay there. And then to the right 5, and up 3. Connect the dots. So notice I get a special line here, a vertical line. So the graph of the equation x equal to h, where h is a real number, is a vertical line. Okay, let's take a look at the next example then. So here we have y equal to negative 2. Now again, there's no variable of x in this equation, so I'm going to rewrite this equation so that x is in this equation. Okay, so I'm going to create my table. Now again, this equation is solved for y, so I'm going to pick values for x. So again, I'll pick a negative, I'll pick 0, and I will pick something positive. So plugging in negative 3, 0 times negative 3 is negative 3. Sorry, 0 plus a negative 2 is negative 2. 0 times 0 is 0 plus a negative 2 is negative 2. And 0 times 3 is 0 plus a negative 2 is a negative 2. Notice every single y value is negative 2. Look at the equation. Y is equal to negative 2. All right, so let's plot these points then. So again, my axes are labeled x and y. I'm going to go by ones here. So I'm going to go to the left 3 and then down 2. Okay, 0 and then down 2. And then I'm going to go to the right 3 and down 2. Connect the dots. So we have another special type of line. This is a horizontal line. So the graph of the equation y equal to k, where k is any real number, is a horizontal line.